If you're a current homeowner considering pulling cash out of your property and tapping into your equity, you really have three options. The first option is you could refinance your first mortgage and pull cash out. You may or may not want to do this because your current first mortgage might be lower than current market rates. But we always want to run an analysis to see if that is or is not the best option. The second option is a home equity line of credit, also called a HELOC. It's an adjustable rate mortgage. It's a second lien on your property and it adjusts with the market. So the rate can be higher and go higher. It also can go lower. You can draw on the equity of your property. You can write checks against it. You can pay it back and forth, almost like a credit card. And the third option is called a closed-end fixed rate second. So you can do a second mortgage that is fixed. For example, it can be 7, 8, 9, 10%. It could be on a 10 or a 20-year term with fixed monthly payments that you pay back on the property. You're gonna draw on the property once with a lump sum, and you're gonna go ahead and pay that back on fixed scheduled payments. So really you have three options, but the math doesn't lie. You need to get with one of our loan officers to do a one-on-one consultation and run the numbers, do the research, and see what's in your best interest. Visit griffinfunding.com or email us info@griffinfunding.com. Do not let the current mortgage rates hold your equity hostage. You have options.